Hey, how's it going? Lord have mercy. Man, I was talking for like 5 minutes straight, and apparently none of that was recording, so I gotta start all over. Anyway, what I said was, thank you for tuning in today's video. Of course, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be installing the aftermarket steering wheel and aftermarket release hub onto my FRS. Right there. Boom, boom. This isn't specifically for the FRS. It will be for literally any car. It's literally the exact same concept. Only thing different will probably be just like the way the hub looks. Other than that, it's the exact same. Today I'm gonna be having Yoshi, my cousin that usually holds the camera. Or I don't have Ethan either, my brother. He usually holds the camera, helps me with these type of videos. So I'll be alone today, looking at the lens, the screen, the lens, the screen. How's the screen looking? But yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. Go ahead and get the FRS pulled into the garage because it's hot as shit. And I'm getting my ass eat alive. What the boy? Dude, I need to get mosquito spray like Yoshi. Aha! Y'all haven't seen this in a while. For like at least, I don't know, maybe a year or two. I still have this car, like I said. Why am I talking? Let me go ahead and just bring the FRS in. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna just pull the carb right here because I still want the lighting from the sun. This lens is ass. I'm turning the screen back. This lens is ass to do freaking garage videos. Not too damn. It's not bright enough in there. Let me go ahead and just pull this car up. All right, we're at least in. Whoa. Why am I so dark? There we go. Alright, I'm in the shade now. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with. Alright, so we got the steering wheel. I know it ain't the best looking steering wheel, but it is the NRG one. I did get a flatter one just because I don't like it. I don't like it when it's like too close to my face, the steering wheel. Got the little horn. Goes around the horn. Got this for the quick release. Here's your hardware wiring for the horn. Here's your resistor for the airbag. This is very important. Very, very important. This will actually make your airbag light not come on, so definitely don't lose this. Got your short hub and the actual quick release itself. This is a nice color. This is the gunmetal one that I got. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring this all go ahead and bring all this shit down there. God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna lay it on you, IS200, I'm sorry. Boom, boom. Step 1 would be to unplug your battery. This is so your airbag doesn't explode in your face or has the tendency to explode in your face when you're trying to take the old steering wheel off. So go ahead and unplug your battery. Man, it sucks not having Yoshi. I need somebody to record me. Will I be able just to pull this off? Oh yeah. For some reason, it's not even tight. So I guess I'll just boom, boom. Alright, for most cars, you gotta, come on, adjust, bastard. Alright, for most cars, you would need to take off the all cars you would need to take off the airbag, but most cars you have like just a Phillips behind the steering wheel, or like push pins, or just something that holds the airbag on. I think with mine is just like I have to stick a screwdriver in and then it will just pop the airbag in those 3 different places. So for the FRS, if you guys have the FRS, you have your hole, where is it? Hole there, one under here, and then one on the right. It's hot as shit. Anyway, of course, step 2 would be to remove your airbag, and whatever way that you have to, remove your airbag. Be careful with your airbag when you actually get to pop it off, because you'll have 2 more wires or any amount of wires that will hold in the airbag and the horn itself, and we'll go from there. That was probably the hardest shit to freaking do. Sweat my ass off. Jesus Christ. For your FRS owners out there, the way this will come off, you know those 3 holes I said? Well, you'll stick a screwdriver, push on this metal piece right here. So on the side, you see this that little pin right here. Push on that, and then this will just pop out. Same with this side, push on that, this is how it'll pop out. And for the bottom, it'll be this piece right here. Push up on that piece and then that piece will pop out. Alright, like I said, you will have your airbag and horn wires, or just wiring in general. You know, the usual wiring that you have to take off, go ahead and take those off. And then from there, we could go ahead and take out the steering wheel. And also, don't forget about your cruise control. Some people might have it, some people might don't. Some people might have to deal with it or not. But for me, I have to take out these two Phillips right here and unplug this wire. Boy, the neighbor don't cut his damn lawnmower off.
Hello.
Trying to record a video here. Alright, so after you got everything out, you have the last thing to do, which is your actual steering wheel nut itself. I believe this is a 19. So go ahead and grab your 19. Unscrew that, but not all the way. Unscrew it about to almost where it comes off, and then you want to yank the shit off of the steering wheel. Yank this shit. How you say this? Yank the shit out of the steering wheel. There you go. And then that'll pop off, but then the nut not being all the way off, it won't pop in your face. And then from there, your steering wheel will be off. Alright, grab your impact or your whatever. I lied, it might be an 18. Hope it's an 18. It's weird. Other cars that I watched, it was 19. It's actually an 18 for you FRS owners out there. For other cars, it might be an 18, but you just know it's in that area. 18, 19, 17, one of them motherfuckers. Jesus. Okay. Alright, just like so. Unscrew, but not all the way out. Then you're gonna just yank the shit out of it. Let me see if I can do this. Oh, that's easier than other videos. Other videos, they're like tugging their whole weight on them. Mine just came down with just one quick pull. That's weird. But anyway, all right. There's the old steering wheel. Go ahead and get rid of this. Put that over there.
Where?
Outside.
Okay. You want this for me?
Come on, man. Thanks. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and get our hub. I was wondering where the hell the hub was. It was in the damn room still. Jesus Christ. Alright, so with your hub, usually you have this white dot. White dot right there. That would face up. So try to have it as to the middle as you can and face it up. So your steering wheel could be aligned right. Just like that. But before we put the hub on, we gotta take care of this airbag stuff. So remember that little piece that I told you to keep and not lose? That is the piece that we need. This piece. These are called resistors. If you don't have these when you order a hub, or you know, it doesn't come with any of the kits or anything. Is it raining? Oh shit, it is raining. Really? Just this one cloud is raining on us? You fucking bastard. See, I don't know why it's raining. It's literally oh shit. I can't even roll the windows up because my fucking battery is unplugged. God damn it, what do I do? I'm finna sue Tennessee's ass so hard. Where's my hat? My head's bald. Oh shit. Put this hat back on. It started raining as soon. Where were we left off? I don't even remember. Whatever we left off, it started to rain hard as hell. But it was literally sunny. That's the reason why I did this video. It was literally sunny. Why? What? What? But now I'm gonna get back to the video. Where was I at? I was getting the hub, I believe. No. We're doing the airbag resistors. I think I lost a piece that I told you guys not to lose. The kit came with this also. I think we just need these two right here. But obviously, very plain, very simple. Plug one end to one end of the plug, put the other one on the other end of the plug. This is your actual resistor. That's it. Then it'll just trick the airbag system. Oh shit, it'll trick the system into thinking that the airbag is still there. So that's what that's for. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Shove those into the two holes that's on the airbag. These do fall off pretty easily, so be careful when you try to put everything back together. To make sure that these stay in, these right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just tape all this down just so it doesn't fall out. Cause this comes out pretty damn easily. Check it out. I mean, it's just like. All right, this is probably the most ghetto thing of a rig. But it works, it's not coming off, and it's gonna be inside. Oh shit, it's gonna be inside of this anyway. Go ahead and grab your short hub. Have that dot face upward, just like that. Tuck all this into this little gap that's in your hub. Or if you guys have a different hub, of course they're gonna look different for different cars. Go ahead and just work with your wiring that you have, and then do your best to, you know, stick it into the splines that it has right here, the splines. Do your best to line it up with your white dot. I know I didn't say this in the beginning, but make sure your steering wheel is straight as possible, just so you could mimic, and we can just copy the OEM position. So, but of course we're not gonna be perfect, but if you get lucky, awesome. If not, there's something called an alignment. Hello. Alright, so from here, everything's tightened up. Go ahead and grab your quick release. Take this piece off right here, and we're gonna screw it on to this part. And with the quick release, this would be the other piece that's on the quick release, not this piece, the smaller piece that will go onto the hub. This will actually go on your steering wheel. This will go on the hub. I really wanted to keep the horn, just because I could have a functionality of a horn. I mean, why not? You know, I wanted to show you guys how to put that on too. But I guess unfortunately today I won't be able to. Maybe in a future video I'll be able to, if I figure it out. But for now, we're going ahead just gonna put the steering wheel on and finish this video off. Some of you guys may be curious what the hell this was, but I was part of the kit. This is actually your ground. This is what would have went in between this piece and your hub. It would have sat in there like this, and this little rectangle part would have been the part that you slid one of these connectors to right here. You would have slid this into that piece right there. Alright, let's go ahead and put the steering wheel on. Easy as that. Steering was put together. Quick release is on. Let's go ahead and see if this actually pops in. Steering wheel's in. Easy as that. I got this specific steering wheel just because it has the red stitching, and then of course the seats are red, and then this clear part kind of matches this gunmetal part, so it all worked out, you know. And this is actually a feel that I like, you know. That's it for this video. I guess I'll wrap the video up here. As always, thank you for watching. I hope this video definitely did help for not just FRS owners, but hopefully that'll help for everyone that's trying to get a aftermarket setup into your car. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Obviously, this video did help you out in some way, go ahead and give it a like also. I know it wasn't the best video that I could have done. I kind of didn't really show everything, which is my fault, but hey, more stuff to this car, more stuff to this channel in general. But yeah, as always, stay tuned for more of our stuff. I am Tony, and thank you for watching.